Have you ever checked your bank statement only to find a mysterious monthly service fee taking your money? You are not alone. Many traditional banks quietly charge monthly maintenance fees, usually ranging from $5 to $25 just for keeping your account open. Over a year, that can easily add up to nearly $200. Banks claim these fees cover operational costs, digital access, and branch services, but paying them is completely optional if you know how the system works. Most traditional accounts offer a waiver if you set up a regular direct deposit or maintain a specific minimum balance, such as $1,500. However, locking up your cash just to avoid a fee can mean missing out on better interest elsewhere. A smarter approach is moving your primary spending to an online-only bank or a credit union. Online banks have no physical branches, allowing them to offer accounts with zero monthly fees, no minimum balance rules, and higher interest rates on your savings. By making a simple switch to digital banking, you can protect your hard-earned cash and stop paying fees for services you do not even use.